Hello, my name's David Reed, and in this short video we are going to look at the Select to Speak function, another accessibility tool built into the Chromebook. Now the Select to Speak function can also be known as a screen reader. So to get us started, we're going to look at how to first of all switch on your screen reader, and then secondly how to use it. So in order to turn it on, we go back down to our profile, which can be found in the Wi-Fi, battery and time area, and we'll access accessibility again. You can see I already have Select to Speak switched on, so it appears in here on my turned on menu. If you didn't have it switched on, you can scroll down to where all of the accessibility features are and turn on Select to Speak. Again, like dictation, you'll notice that the little speaker button appears down here when it's switched on. Now, one thing that's really important about a screen reader is the voice in which the computer reads back to you. So when you do switch on Select to Speak, or a pupil uses Select to Speak, you can access the settings, the accessibility settings, to personalize this a little bit. You can do that in text to speech. So if you click text to speech and then go to Select to Speak settings, you will be given this little menu which allows you to adapt the voice that is being used offline. So this is the offline voice and you can play it. If your device is connected to the internet, you get a few more options which uses a natural voice, and there's some UK accents in there. So you can have a play around with that as well. So that's just some additional settings to the Select to Speak when you switch it on. So to get started, Select to Speak or a screen reader, I've got a couple of examples here. A website first of all, our website secondly, and first of all we're going to look at a Google Doc. So this is just a piece of text that we've generated to show an example. So in order to use Select to Speak, we first of all click the speaker button down on the shelf. Then you'll see that that turns into a little arrow which allows you to click and drag on the text that you want read.
Once upon a time, in the vast Nordic Sea, there was a brave young Viking named Finn. Finn was on a grand adventure with his
and it will start to read. Now, there is another option for how you get the text to start reading. First of all, you have to click the speaker, but secondly, you can press the Anywhere key, which sometimes looks like a magnifying glass or a record button on your device, and then you can click on the
Once upon a time, in the vast Nordic Sea, there was a brave young Viking named Finn. Finn was on a grand adventure with his fellow Vikings.
Now, also you have this little playback menu which gives you some options, so you can see you can decrease the speed, keep it at normal speed, or increase it in intervals. There's also the play pause button, which you can also use spacebar for. This is to go back a sentence or forward a sentence if you've already heard the piece of text being read. And equally, you can skip a paragraph or go back a paragraph, maybe if you want to revisit something, or you've clicked on the wrong word to start with. You don't want to have to do the process all over again. You can just skip the paragraph. So that's how we use the tool within Google Docs. As you can see, it works perfectly fine, but it's not just limited to Google Docs and word processing documents. You can actually use it in any form over the device, so any piece of text across the device. And I'm just going to show you another example of when Tom Daly won his Olympic medal today.
Tom Daly won his fifth Olympic medal with a superb silver alongside Noah Williams in the men's synchronized.
So again, works on pieces of text that you're sharing. So if you're sharing a news report, an article, a website, anything that pupils have issues accessing independently, they can use the Select to Speak function to act as a screen reader, and they can take that text in independently. I hope that was useful. Thank you very much.